When considering kitchen renovations, Kitchener-Waterloo, many homeowners find themselves grappling with the challenge of maximizing small spaces. In a region where homes often boast cozy, compact kitchens, the quest for the most efficient layout becomes not just a matter of aesthetics, but also functionality. This question is particularly important for residents who wish to enhance their daily living experience without the luxury of extra square footage. Whether you're living in a charming century home in uptown Waterloo or a modern condo in downtown Kitchener, making the most of your kitchen space can significantly impact your home's value and usability. In this article, we'll explore some of the best kitchen layouts tailored for small spaces, offering practical solutions and design tips that can transform even the tiniest kitchen into a hub of efficiency. From the classic galley kitchen that optimizes wall space to the versatile L-shaped design that opens up room for dining, we cover various layouts to suit your needs. We'll also delve into smart storage solutions and creative design tweaks that can make a small kitchen feel much larger than it is. Ready to reimagine your kitchen space? Let's dive into the possibilities that await your next renovation project in Kitchener-Waterloo. Maximizing space efficiency with a galley kitchen in Kitchener-Waterloo. For homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo looking to optimize their kitchen renovations, the galley kitchen layout is a noteworthy option. This design, characterized by two parallel countertops with a walkway in between, is ideal for small spaces. It not only maximizes every square inch, but also creates a streamlined, efficient workspace. The galley kitchen is particularly advantageous in older homes commonly found in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, where space can be limited and efficiency is paramount. The practicality of the galley kitchen lies in its simplicity and functionality. By placing everything within arm's reach, this layout minimizes unnecessary movement, thereby enhancing productivity. For those involved in kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, a galley kitchen can also be a cost-effective choice. With less cabinetry and fewer countertops required compared to other layouts, expenses can be significantly reduced. However, one trade-off is that it can be less conducive to socializing, as the space is more confined. Consider installing open shelving instead of upper cabinets to create a sense of openness and accessibility. Incorporate reflective surfaces, such as glossy tiles or stainless steel appliances, to enhance the perception of space and brightness. Choose a cohesive color palette to create a seamless look that expands the visual space. Optimize lighting by using under-cabinet LEDs and strategically placed ceiling lights to brighten the entire length of the kitchen. Invest in multifunctional appliances to save both space and time, such as a microwave convection oven combo. While the galley kitchen is not without its limitations, its benefits for small spaces make it a popular choice for kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo. By carefully considering design elements and incorporating smart storage solutions, homeowners can create a functional and stylish kitchen that meets their needs. Open concept designs, enhancing small kitchens in urban Kitchener homes. Open concept designs have gained immense popularity in urban areas like Kitchener-Waterloo, where maximizing space and creating a welcoming atmosphere are key. For homeowners dealing with small kitchen spaces, an open concept can effectively break down barriers, literally and figuratively, between kitchen and living areas. By removing non-essential walls, you not only increase the visual flow, but also enhance the functionality of your kitchen. This approach makes optimal use of limited square footage, allowing your kitchen to feel more spacious and integrated with the rest of your home. However, transitioning to an open concept layout involves careful planning to ensure that the space remains functional while maintaining a cohesive look. One of the primary trade-offs is the potential loss of storage and wall space, which are often sacrificed when walls come down. To counteract this, consider innovative storage solutions such as floating shelves or multifunctional furniture that can double as seating and storage. Additionally, maintaining a consistent design throughout the open area can help in seamlessly blending the kitchen with adjacent living spaces. Engaging a professional team like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can provide invaluable expertise in navigating these challenges. ensuring that your small kitchen is both stylish and efficient. Consult with a structural engineer to determine which walls can be safely removed without compromising the integrity of your home. Incorporate a kitchen island that can serve as both a prep space and a casual dining area, maximizing utility in a small footprint. Opt for lighter color palettes and reflective surfaces to enhance the sense of space and light in your kitchen. Use consistent flooring materials across the kitchen and adjoining living areas to create a seamless transition and a unified look. Consider under-cabinet lighting to brighten workspaces and add depth to your kitchen design. Incorporating local Kitchener-Waterloo style into your compact kitchen. When considering kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, the challenge often lies in maximizing the limited space available in smaller homes. However, incorporating local style and practical design can turn a compact kitchen into a functional and aesthetically pleasing area. The region's blend of traditional and contemporary styles offers a unique opportunity to create a kitchen that feels both modern and comfortably familiar. One practical way to introduce Kitchener-Waterloo's character into your kitchen is through the use of materials and finishes that reflect the area's natural beauty and industrial heritage. Consider using locally sourced wood for cabinets or open shelving to bring warmth and texture to the space. Quartz countertops, which are both durable and stylish, can offer a nod to the area's history and manufacturing while providing a sleek, modern look. Opt for open shelving instead of upper cabinets to create an airy feel and allow you to showcase Kitchener or Waterloo-inspired ceramics and glassware. Utilize multifunctional furniture, such as a dining table that doubles as a work surface, to maximize the utility of your space without compromising on style. Incorporate light-reflecting surfaces like glass tile backsplashes or polished metal fixtures to enhance natural light, making your kitchen feel larger. Choose neutral color palettes with pops of color inspired by local landscapes or historic architecture for a timeless appeal. Invest in smart storage solutions such as pull-out pantries or corner drawers that make the most of every available inch. Whether your home is nestled in the bustling streets of Waterloo or the quieter neighborhoods of Cambridge, these design strategies can help you create a kitchen that is both practical and reflective of the local culture. By blending functionality with regional flair, your small kitchen can become a space that is as enjoyable to work in as it is to admire. Top storage solutions for small kitchens in Waterloo region. When embarking on kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo, maximizing storage in a small space can be a notable challenge. However, strategic planning and clever design choices can transform even the most compact kitchen into a functional and aesthetically pleasing area. In the Waterloo region, where older homes often come with limited kitchen space, it's essential to implement smart storage solutions that make the most of every square inch. One of the first considerations should be the use of vertical space. Installing tall cabinets that extend up to the ceiling can provide significant storage capacity without occupying additional floor space. In addition to cabinetry, consider incorporating open shelving. This can create a sense of openness while allowing you to display attractive dishware or store frequently used items within easy reach. Moreover, pull-out pantry shelves can make deep, narrow spaces more accessible, ensuring that no space is wasted. Use multifunctional furniture such as an island with built-in storage or a foldable dining table that can be tucked away when not in use. Install hooks or magnetic strips on walls or under cabinets to store pots, pans, and knives, freeing up drawer and counter space. Opt for custom cabinetry with features like built-in spice racks or pull-out cutting boards to maximize every available inch. Consider adding a pegboard wall for hanging utensils and small kitchen gadgets. This not only saves space, but also keeps essential tools within easy reach. Incorporate drawer dividers and organizers to keep your drawers tidy and ensure every item has its place, preventing clutter. By embracing these storage solutions, homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo can redesign their small kitchens into efficient and stylish spaces. Whether you're dealing with a historical home or a modern condo, these strategies can help you achieve a functional kitchen that meets your needs without compromising on style. Budget-friendly renovation tips for Kitchener-Waterloo small kitchens. Renovating a small kitchen in Kitchener-Waterloo can seem daunting, especially when working within a limited budget. However, with careful planning and smart choices, you can transform your compact kitchen into a functional and stylish space without breaking the bank. The key is to focus on maximizing efficiency and choosing cost-effective solutions that do not compromise on quality or aesthetics. One of the most effective ways to save money on kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo is to retain the existing layout. By keeping the plumbing and electrical systems in place, you can avoid the hefty costs associated with rerouting pipes and wires. Instead, consider updating the cabinetry and fixtures. Repainting or refacing cabinets gives them a fresh look at a fraction of the cost of replacing them. Similarly, swapping out old hardware for new, modern handles and knobs can make a significant impact. Opt for open shelving. This not only saves on the cost of cabinet doors, but also creates a more open and airy feel, which is especially beneficial in smaller spaces. Choose multifunctional furniture. Look for tables or islands with built-in storage to maximize space utilization. This is particularly useful for small kitchens where every square inch counts. Prioritize energy-efficient appliances. While the initial cost may be higher, energy-efficient appliances can save you money on utility bills in the long run. Plus, they are often eligible for rebates in Kitchener-Waterloo. Use light colors and reflective surfaces. Light hues and glossy finishes can make a small kitchen feel larger and more welcoming. Consider using white or pastel tones for walls and cabinets to enhance this effect. DIY where possible. If you have the skills, tackling some of the simpler tasks yourself, such as painting or installing new hardware, can reduce labor costs significantly. Ready to transform your small kitchen into a functional and stylish space? Let Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo help you find the best layout for your home. Whether you're looking for expert advice or a custom renovation, our team is here to assist. Book a free estimate today or call us at 226-894-0234 for a quote. Visit our Google page to see what our clients are saying and explore our kitchen renovations Kitchener-Waterloo services for more inspiration. Discover more at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca.